Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today is another hair video. So any of you who have been following me for the last little bit know that I am on a new journey with my hair. I am 65 years old. This is my natural color, and it used to be very, very straight. The last couple of years, I have noticed a little bit of a wave to it. And so I have been experimenting with products for wavy hair. Now, I do not have curly hair. It's wavy. And it's a lot more wavier than it. I mean, my hair would never even hold any curl at all. But if you're interested in that story, I've got other videos all about that. That's not what this video is about. This video is about a new product that I just ordered. I have been using Trey Luxe for the last probably 6 weeks. I'm pretty pleased with them, but I'm still not 100%. So I thought I would try another brand called Jessicurl. And I'm going to do somewhat of an unboxing. I've already looked at it. But first I wanted to show you my hair. This is day 3. Very late at night, day 3, so fixing to be day 4. It's been through a lot. And I did try a product this morning, and I'll show you that in this unboxing. So from what I understand, Jessicurl is supposed to be good for those of us with very fine hair. And my hair is very fine. I have a lot of it, but each individual piece of hair is very, very thin, which that's fine hair. A lot of people think fine hair means you have thin hair, like not a lot of hair on your head. That's a whole different thing. Fine is when each strand is really little. If you took a strand of natural blonde hair and brunette and a redhead, the redhead has the thickest, I guess it's called the shaft, whereas the blonde has the skinniest. Anyway, I ordered, what are they calling this? The Light and Luminous Collection, the travel size. So this will be a good little trial for me because there's a couple other brands that I would like to try too. But in this travel size Light and Luminous collection, you get your little booklet here, and they talk. I guess this is the person who developed. I guess that's who this is. The products, and then in here we have everything that's in this kit and how you use it and what it's good for and all that stuff. And we've got a little chart here, Jessicurl product and hair type. And then we have the products. So we have the Gentle Lather Shampoo. Now I got the no fragrance added. I actually was just diagnosed yesterday with asthma from allergies. And any type of fragrance will kick off an asthma attack a lot of times. And I have really bad cough. And anyway, so I thought I need to stay away from fragrance. Also, fragrance tends to give me a rash. So that's why I went fragrance free on that. It's sulfate free. And actually, this is all, if you're into the curly girl, it is curly girl approved. And that's a way that it's a process of how some people fix their hair. Google search it, you'll see it. Anyway, we got 2 different kinds of conditioner. This is the Aluba Daily Conditioner. Okay, we got that. And then we have the Touche Extra Moisturizing Conditioner. And I think I'm going to try this tomorrow. Sorry about that. I just had a little visitor. Anyway, so the Touche Extra Moisturizing Conditioner. And I'll get into that in a little bit here. And then we have the Confident Coils Styling Solution. And then we have the Gelibration spray. Now, if I'm not mistaken, a couple of these, this may be one of them, has kind of a dark tint to it because it has flaxseed in it. And with my hair being as light as it is, it tends to, if I use anything with color, like dark in it, it will darken my hair. I've even used rosemary oil on my hair, and it has darkened it. In fact, I have a little short video on that too. So I hope this won't darken my hair. We'll see. I saw somebody mention that it might, but that was only one person, and I don't remember who that was. The last thing that's in this kit, by the way, this is a really nice little travel kit here too, to put your makeup in there or whatever. But this is the awe-inspiring refresher spray, and I actually used this morning, and I wasn't 100% pleased with it. It says to use it on dry hair, and I did, and it also says to use sparingly, which I don't think I did. I did at first, but it didn't seem like it was enough, and I still don't, I mean, I know this is wavy, but I do have a little bit more wave than this when I first wash it. And I just didn't get it to work. And maybe I was, using it wrong, or maybe it'll work better with the actual line, because I used it on product that I had. It was a Trelux product. So I don't know. Maybe it won't work for that. Jury's still out on this. But that was the, what did they call that? The Light and Luminous collection. And if you have thicker, coarser hair, they do have a collection that would be better for you. So check them out. Also, with going through this process of using a bunch of product, you tend to need to use clarifying shampoo, which I do not have. I have been using apple cider vinegar, which I don't really see that's doing anything. So I went ahead and I bought their clarifying shampoo. And I'm thinking, it says to use it maybe once every 2 weeks. I'm not really for sure. I've never used a clarifying shampoo. I never needed to use it because when my hair was actually straight, I never used any product. Every once in a while I use hairspray, but product never did anything in my hair. I could put a whole gallon of hairspray on my hair and you would never even tell, except for it would weight it down a lot. But anyway, tomorrow I am going to clarify my hair with this shampoo. And then it says to use a very deep conditioner. So let's see, where is that? It's where I'm going to use the Touche. So tomorrow morning, I will be back after I shampoo and condition my hair. And I'm not for sure which product I'm going to use. Well, I know it won't be the shampoo. And I know it won't be, it's just the awe-inspiring stuff. And I'm not going to use that. That was the other conditioner. So we have the Gelibration spray, the Confident coils. It's going to be one of these I'm using. So we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll use them both. You know what? That's what I'm going to do. So I'll see you in the morning. Oh, wait. I forgot to show you something. They sent me a free sample. And they do this a lot. They'll send free samples. And this is the Spiralicious Styling Gel. So I have 3 options for my styling product. I have to read up on this. Anyway, we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. So I got up, I washed my hair, I used the clarifying shampoo. I liked this. It didn't seem as drying as I thought a clearing shampoo was going to be. And it was easy to kind of comb through because it tells you to finger comb your hair once you put it on your scalp, and then you lather it up, which it had good lather, and to comb it through, which I did. And then I used Touche extra moisturizing conditioner, and I really liked this. It was pretty thick, and it was great to go along with the clarifying shampoo. And I put that on. It said to leave for 3 to 5 minutes. And I went ahead and used my brush to brush it out. And then I had added a little bit more once I had it on there for a while. And then I squished to condition, you know. Then I used Celebration and the Confidence Coil. I used them together. And what I did was I sprayed the Celebration spray. By the way, you have to shake it up really, really well before you do that. In fact, all these you have to do that. And then the Confident Coils, I mixed them up in my hand and then prayer hand them all around. Try not to touch my hair because it's still wet. I'm letting it dry on its own. Hopefully I'll make it. I don't have to go anywhere today. It's probably going to take about 3 hours for it to dry. That's why I diffuse it. Anyway, and after I got out of the shower, I did plop my hair in a microfiber towel while I put my makeup on and got dressed and all. So anyway, once this dries, I will be back. So it's been 2.5 hours. My hair is still too wet to scrunch the crunch. I put some little clips in here. I am going to take these out because I think that's part of the reason why it's not drying. But I do tend to get flat on the top and in the back. I think a lot of us tend to have this problem, but I have where there's the part that goes down. It goes down the back and it separates my hair out. So I'm trying to train my hair to cover up that spot. I thought maybe I was going bald, but my hairdresser said, oh, no, it's just a cowlick. So anyway, I've been using these things here. They clip in really easily. They're actually pretty cool. I got them on a cruise. It's from Del Sol, and they change colors in the sunlight. But they work really well to kind of make a lift. Anyway, hopefully in about 30 minutes, I'll be back after I've scrunched the crunch. There is a slight crunch, not as much as I was getting on Trey Luxe, but don't touch my hair. I'll be back. All right, it's all done, and I let it air dry, and it has taken, what time is it? 3 hours to dry. Needless to say, the days that I have to go somewhere, I do not have the glory of time to let it dry on its own, so I will diffuse it. That's just the way it is, and that includes when I refresh it. But anyway, am I pleased with it? Yeah, I like it. I'm still trying to get used to this. Having straight hair for 60 plus years, and all of a sudden having this, it's really been kind of hard to get used to. I'm still, my bangs, my hairdresser said, well, don't have bangs. I'm sorry, I need bangs. I have a very high forehead. I've got this receding hairline thing going, and I don't think that's going to fill in. So I have to have bangs. As far as my bangs go, they're kind of straight. So I may take a curling iron to them and just go with it. That way I can kind of spread them out a little bit. But anyway, as far as the other goes, I mean, I see all these other influencers and I think, man, I wish my hair would do that, but it's just not going to. I am a beach wave girl. That's the way it is, which, you know what? I should embrace that. I love the beach. I grew up in Florida. My favorite place to be is on the beach, so I should just go ahead and embrace it. Like I said, I clarified my hair today with the clarifying shampoo. I used the Touche moisturizing conditioner, which I have to say, you don't need a whole lot. It's another thing I see a lot of people using tons and tons of product, and you don't really need to use product. And then I used this Gelibration spray and the Confidence coils together, put them in my hand, did this on wet hair, and it wasn't like soaking wet. It wasn't drippy wet, but it was wet from the shower. I had plopped it to put my makeup on and stuff, so it was still pretty damp. I didn't re-wet it or anything like that. And I think everything worked out great. So let me know down in the comment section below if you are a curly or wavy girl, and how do you do your hair? One thing too, some of my hair's kind of, I mean, I wouldn't consider this straight by all means because my hair was straight. When I say straight, I mean board straight, would never hold a curl. I would try to use product and curling irons and rollers and whatever, and I would spray it, and before I got out of the bathroom, it was board straight. So I was a true straight-haired girl. Maybe a 1A. Is there a 1A? I don't know. Anyway, like I said, let me know down in the comments below if you are a curly or wavy girl and what products you use, and give me some help, but be nice about it, because I know this is a journey, and so far I think I'd only give me a C, but it's getting there. I've only been working on it for about 6 weeks. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.